Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming documents: RC book, valid insurance, PUC, and your ID. Once ready, check whether the registration needs an NOC from a financier or previous RTO. This prevents rejection. Make sure the new plate size, font, and reflectivity meet local RTO rules. Measure and photograph the existing plate to copy mounting points. Then, download or collect Form 33/34 as required, fill basic owner details, and sign. This starts the official change process, so you can proceed to inspection. You take the bike for RTO inspection, where they verify chassis and engine numbers and confirm paperwork. This step prevents fraud, so be present during checks. Once the officer clears it, submit documents and pay the prescribed fee to receive an acknowledgement or receipt. Keep it. Next, order the new metal plate from an approved vendor or RTO contractor. Make sure embossing, font, color, and reflective film match regulations. Once produced, carefully check characters and mounting holes for a precise fit before installation. You mount the new plate using supplied bolts and rubber gaskets, making sure it sits straight and visible. Improper angle can lead to fines. Once fitted, go back to the RTO with your installation photos and acknowledgement to have the RC updated or endorsed. This finalizes legal ownership records. If the plate is rejected for errors, ask for the inspection report, correct dimensions, and reprint immediately. Make sure to retain receipts until the RTO updates records, because they prove compliance during appeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.